This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com.
Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Okay, let's take a look at the gold market. On the gold market, although we now have the bearish as price action as trend, and we since market has taken out and has moved significantly lower than the previous low, we said and it's very difficult to be bullish when the market has renewed the previous low and continue move to the downside. Well, still currently market at the monthly oversold, as well as on the daily oversold, and now market has hit the significant 1618 extension target on the weekly time frame. All that stuff we have discussed in our previous research on Friday. So despite the fact how we are bearish and how market bearish is, that has probably significant targets below it. The next level that we have discussed as the target is 1530, but currently market still could show some pullback to the upside, and it will be perfect and we will be lucky if we will get first the Patron to the upside that we could trade, and after that, and by this potential rally, potential Patron, we will get the entry point for the downward continuation, since in general we are bearish and currently we just could make the technical trade, some sort of the scalp trade, although it will not be the scalp in the direct understanding of the term, because you can see that it will take place probably on daily time frame. But anyway, despite the moment how we could call it, that could build a bounce to the upside. And as it follows from weekly analysis and from the daily time frame, this pullback could be as far as to 60-30, 60-45 area. At least currently we could suggest this pullback. But the one problem with this pullback is that now we have no patrons in our back, no confirmation patrons that could let us to understand how deep particular market could show the pullback. What this patron will be. Will it be the butterfly buy, or it will be some sort of the Jodnably? We don't know currently, because market just has hit this area and just has shown the two bars up. It's the starting point of this retracement. But here we see that market oversold and trying to escape from this uncomfortable situation. On the another daily time frame chart, we see the context for the potential Jodnably pattern. We have nice thrust down. That could be either double repo buy, if market will show first penetration of the 3x3, returning right back, then will show the second penetration of the 3x3. That will be the confirmation bar. 3x3 is the 3-period moving average shifted forward for 3 periods. If this will be the double repo buy pattern, then market could show the retracement to the upside. This will be our triggering pattern. Or conversely, this could be the brand body sell. So if market will show the just single penetration, but simultaneously will hit significant resistance area, in this case we will get the direct pattern that we could use for entering on the short side of the market. So but currently, as you can see, we do not have any patrons yet, so probably we will have to be patient and just wait for some time to understand what particular pattern will be formed and how far this pattern could lead the market to the upside. On the hourly time frame, in fact, I just have drawn the potential scenario, but I do not want you to take it as the trading plan. This is just the one of the among of the multiple different scenarios that could appear on the gold market. This is just one of them. So market could show, for instance, this Gartley's 222 buy pattern and show the upward move. That could be the first move on the gold market, is the retracement. This ABCD down move is possible because previously you can see was significant move down, and it's hardly market will show just one leg down and continue move to the upside. But anyway, this is hardly to call the pattern, is just the assumption what we could expect on Monday. just to keep an eye on this potential move, because as I said, our major task is to get the real Patron right now at the bottom of the currently on the gold. Maybe market will fail there and will start to form some sort of the butterfly buy. That is also could happen. And this butterfly could lead market to the double repo on daily time frame. As we discussed in euro currency, that very often happens when the butterfly buy becomes the intraday patron for daily double repo buy. That is also possible. Well, anyway, my thought is we have to wait for some trading sessions. Maybe a couple of trading sessions will be enough just to understand what to expect. It will be fine if it will be the bread and butter sell. Well, that's fine. We could enter short with this patron. If it will be some sort of the reversal patron as the double repo on daily or butterfly buy on the hourly time frame, that's perfect. We could try to trade as on the daily time frame. As on the long side of the market, and later could reverse to the downside when this trade will be over. But the one point that is currently absolutely important is that markets entered the significant support. That is, as I said, 1618 extension on the weekly time frame, and market oversold as on the monthly time frame, as on the daily time frame. So that's potentially bullish, short-term bullish situation where market could show the real significant bounce. And our task is first of all trying to catch this bounce up and do not miss the end of this bounce to enter on the short side of the market.